Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Nucleophilic aromatic substitution, SNAR, reactivity is governed by the ability of electron-withdrawing groups, EWGs, to stabilize the mesenhymer complex intermediate. The more EWGs present at ortho and para positions relative to the leaving group, Br, the greater the stabilization of the negative charge in the transition state, and the faster the reaction. Moving on to the next step. Identify the structures. Compound I, 1 bromo, 3 nitrobenzene. The number 2 is at meta to Br meta. No 2 does not effectively stabilize the mesenhymer complex. Negative charge cannot be delocalized onto meta, no 2. Only one number 2 and it is meta, least activating. Compound 2, 1 bromo, 2, 4, 6 trinitrobenzene, picryl bromide. 3 number 2 groups at ortho, times 2, and para positions relative to Br maximum stabilization of mesenhymer complex. Highest reactivity. Compound 3, 1 bromo, 4 nitrobenzene. 1 number 2 at para to Br para, no 2 effectively stabilize the mesenhymer complex. 1 activating group. Compound 4, 1 bromo, 2, 4 dinitrobenzene. 2 number 2 groups, 1 ortho and 1 para to Br both stabilize the mesenhymer complex effectively. More activating than 1 number 2, 3, less than 3 number 2, 2. Moving on to the next step. Rank by reactivity. 2, 3 number 2 at ortho para, 4, 2 number 2 at ortho para, 3, 1 number 2 at para, I, 1 number 2 at meta, ineffective stabilization. Order 2, 4, 3, I. And for the final step. Evaluate options. A. I 2, 3, 4, incorrect, reverses the trend. B. 2, 4, 3, I matches our analysis exactly. C. 4 to 3, I incorrect, 2 should be highest. D. 2, 4, I 3, incorrect, I, meta, no 2, should be less reactive than 3, para, no 2. Why D fails? In option D, I is placed above 3. Compound I has number 2 at meta, cannot delocalize negative charge in mesenhymer complex, while 3 has number 2 at para, can delocalize. So 3I, not I3. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.